what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the Murphy Photography YouTube channel. I'm Quentin, and if you guys saw our last video, we was actually at Marshall University for a graduation shoot, and that's what we are doing again today. It actually went really well, and I'm going to do a full shoot. So today's gonna be really good. We have a great weather. We have a great model that's going to be helping us, and we'll just get right into it. See you guys there. All right guys, so welcome back. So right now we have like this little like flower pot area right here, and what we want to do is, if you are looking to, you know, spice up your photos in a way to make them a little bit more colorful, this is like a good little tip and trick. So there's like little flowers in there, yellow, purple, white ones. I got a yellow one right here, and what you do is you put it like right up near the lens, and it's going to give you a really cool, like sort of like a lens flare, but in this case it's just going to be a lot of yellow, and it's going to be softer and very spring, and it just makes your photos pop. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you one that is simple without it. Okay, and then okay, just look that way. Perfect. And now I'm going to show you with it. Okay, so we are just, like I said, you just put it in the corner, not too much because you don't want your subject to be hidden, and then look that way, Kate. Yep, perfect. And then just bring it down, and it just gives that little bit of extra flavor for your photo to make it pop a little bit. So stay tuned. And then obviously this is a good time to like and subscribe if you guys haven't yet. Okay, so I'm just going to do a couple more. So now I want to switch it. I want to do maybe like a purple one, so it's pretty wide, and then we are going to put that there, make it look like it's normal. Okay. Okay, so purple, same way. So I want to do purple, but now I want to do the opposite. So if you guys look here in the view, I want to do it like about right here on this side. So we are going to go over top and just bring it there, and then look this. Yep, perfect. And now that purple gives an extra little color to match the contrast on her blue sash as well. Okay, big smiles. Okay, and look away and fix your hair. Perfect, awesome. Because right now too, another thing I want to add, so I have her facing with her knees like pointed a little bit more this way, because you have the light source over here, like on her back. So you don't want that right side of her face to be completely like over saturated with like highlights and everything. So keep on pushing this way, and then it automatically fills. So big smiles, look to the left. That looks good. Perfect. Yep, awesome. Fix this. All right, so we're gonna do a couple basic ones right here. Don't worry about the trash can, I'll be able to edit that out later. Let me do a couple tests quick. All right, look off to the left. Now right. Fix your hair. All right, now do like a cradle, and then actually that's good. Yeah. Now look at me. Chin up. Oh, keep those eyes open. Oh. All right. Yep. Go ahead and just keep that, but then just like fix your hair just soft. Happy, happy, happy. So with your arm though, just kind of like, instead of having like your hand out, there you go, perfect. Yep. It's just softer with it. Yep. Keep those eyes open. Okay, I'm just gonna get a little bit closer on this one. Perfect, look away. Happy, go ahead and just do the full motion with your hand. Okay. Happy. Yep, happy, happy, happy. As many fake laughs as you got until it's a real laugh. Fake laugh, fake laugh. Yep. I'm just going to keep on clicking until we get it. I kind of like it right now because it's like harsh in the perfect little spots. Okay, so it's just cradle, cross,
Oh, I forgot about that.
Look away. Fix your hair. Keep your eyes open. Okay, I'm gonna get close up. All right, so that little strand, just softly, like, bring it back. Happy. Awesome.
Oh.
Yeah, that's cool. Hold on.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, that's okay.
Bring you, go back a little bit more. Right there.
Okay, it's like sinking in. Okay.
Look away. Chin up. All right, so she's kind of like lean on, like she like leaned on it, yeah, cross, and then her hand is like that. There you go, perfect. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, look away. Okay, fix your hair just a little bit. There you go. Keep your eyes open.
Oh no.
There you go. Okay, go ahead and reset. Just kind of like go to the side. Yep, and just kind of like lean.
Like a lean.
Yep. Okay. All right, let's do a reset. Let's put you like right here, like on this little spot right there. I'm gonna try to use all this green behind you.
This is a big picture place.
Yeah?
For us.
Okay. All right, big smiles, big smiles. Look away. Look away. The other way.
There we go.
Happy, happy, don't look at me, happy. All right, and stop. Yep, there you go. That's good. In the meantime, let's maybe like position you like right here. Yep, there you go.
Okay.
Big smiles. Look away. That, oh yeah, that's really good. And look to the left. Look back at me. Fix your, yep. I almost said fix your face, I'm sorry. Fix your hair. Just fix your face. No, no, no. Okay. All right. That was cute, what you just did right there. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be like really golden.